Hey guys, what's up? It's Daniel. Today I'm doing something a little unusual for the channel. I'm going to be reviewing a pair of shoes. That's right, Puma and the Porsche Club of America have collaborated. I was scrolling through Instagram a few days ago and I saw them on the Porsche Club of America Instagram, and my god, I was blown away. Immediately I knew I had to have them. These shoes are for Porsche Club of America members and are exclusively so. You must be in the Porsche Club of America in order to be able to purchase these. So I saw them and immediately I bought them. They're only going to make 1,955, hence the year 1955, the founding year for the Porsche Club of America. They're only going to make those 1955 units worldwide. So I got pretty lucky and I got one of the early pairs. I don't believe they're numbered individually, but still pretty cool to know that they're a very rare pair of shoes. And I got them right here. Very fast shipping actually with FedEx, so I just got them and well, let's unbox them and see what they look like. So, here they are. I'm super excited. I have not seen them yet in person because, well, they're a brand new model and I just got them. So, let's open them up. By the way, the shoes, they cost $150 American dollars, and you can only buy them through the Porsche Design website. Let's open them up. Look at this. Porsche Design pamphlet. Cyber Week. Okay, I see. I have my receipt here. And just a very nice quality Porsche Design pamphlet that I could use for, I really don't know, but it's nice. And then here, obviously, are the shoes. These shoes, now that I've seen the box, remind me that these shoes are inspired by the 996 Classic Club Coupe, and man, I love that model. That is such a nice car, and these shoes are basically based off of that car. So, very nice box. First impressions, very nice. Wow, very heavy. It's not often that a shoe box impresses you. Very, very impressed. US size 10. Wow. Very good feeling box. So let's open it up. Got PCA and Porsche Puma paper. Here are the shoes, a pamphlet for the shoes, and there is the Classic Club Coupe. Look at that. Very nice attention to detail, I must say, for a pair of shoes especially. So, very, very nice. I feel very welcomed by these shoes. Lots of packaging and wow. Wow, look at that. I mean, this is something, wow, oh my god. PCA on the tongue there. They're pretty heavy actually, they have a really nice weight to them. Of course, the Puma feels great. I mean, the materials, they just feel great. Designed by Puma with the Porsche logo right there. There's a bag here, maybe with laces, I think. Wow. They look comfortable, and you can see inside they say Classic Club Coupe Limited Edition. Oh yeah, I like these a lot. And simply what these are is just a collaboration between the Porsche Club of America and Puma. So basically they've taken their Knight Rider model and they have PCA'd it, you could say. They've made it the Classic Club Coupe look if it were a shoe. And you know what? I do think that the 996 is very well represented by this model, the silhouette. I think it's a very 90s, early 2000s kind of look. You know what I mean? And once again, the Classic Club Coupe Limited Edition there. I am very, very impressed by these shoes. I mean, they look great. And honestly, for the price, very nice, because, you know, most shoes now, like most shoes that you can get at the mall, let's say some Adidas Ultra Boost or something, those go for around $180. But these, wow, I'm very impressed by these. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and that maybe if there's still any left, you could go snatch a pair of these yourself. I'm very impressed by these shoes and I really do like them. I'm only worried about getting them dirty. That's the only thing I'm worried about. But really excited to wear them, really excited to use them, and overall just really, really impressed and really happy. So thank you guys for watching. Take care.